This is the Sesbania plant. I believe it's Sesbania Javanica, though not 100% certain, as many species look quite similar. In Thailand, the flowers are used in cooking and for making sweets. The seeds can be a bit stubborn to germinate, so I tried a couple of different methods, and will show you the method that I found to be the best balance between easy, quick, and high germination rate. Let's grow these seeds. You can buy the seeds online, but I harvested some pods from a local plant, as fresh is always best. The seed pod should be totally dry and a golden brown color. However, if they remain on the plant too long or have fallen to the ground, they may start to turn a dark brown or black color. I found that these pods contained seeds that were no longer viable, and the seeds themselves became dark in color compared to seeds from the golden brown pods. Here's an example. Open your seed pod inside a container or bag of some sort to catch the seeds that quickly fall out. There were about 40 seeds inside the pod that I opened up. To germinate the seeds, I found it necessary to first scarify them. It's a bit difficult as the seeds are quite small. I found using nail clippers worked quite well to snip off just a small portion of the seed. I usually cut off the pointy end as I found that easiest. You can just see the white of the seed inside. When scarified, I did not find it necessary to soak them before planting. I prepared 10 seeds. Place them on top of a container with pre-moistened potting soil. Then cover them with a thin layer of soil. I suggest you create a mini hothouse effect by either placing your starter container inside a clear, sealable bag or tie a plastic bag over the top. Place your seeds in indirect light and keep them above 75 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 25 degrees Celsius. 1 week update. Wow, they germinated really quickly. 7 of the 10 seeds have germinated, though it looks like 1 will not survive. You can even see the first true leaves on some of these small seedlings. 2 week update. We've got 6 really good looking seedlings. You can see a lot of true leaves are growing already. They are getting a bit etiolated, leggy that is, so I am going to take them out of their mini hothouse and expose them to more indirect light. These are pretty fast growers. 3 week update. Our seedlings are looking really good. Lots of leaves and some new growth. And we've got one stubborn one over here who wants to grow horizontally rather than vertically. But other than that, they're looking really nice. You know, I don't do merch, I don't have sponsors, and I don't push products. But simply by watching one more video from one of these links, you can truly support my independent YouTube channel. Thanks so much, take care, and be well.